Side mirror removal, 2000 Ford F-150. You'll need to remove the inner door panel in order to gain access to the electrical connector and fasteners for the side mirror. This is covered in another video. Recommended tools will be an 11mm, a flathead screwdriver, and an extension. With the inner door panel removed, disconnect the electrical connection located here. We used a flathead screwdriver to assist us. Next, peel away the vapor barrier located here. Behind it you will find the three 11mm fasteners that hold the mirror into place. Remove those fasteners. Before removing the final fastener completely, be sure to support the mirror. After the last fastener is removed, you should be able to pull the mirror free from the door.